create an account if this is first time. So let's see how we can create an account on the Netherlands consular services site, okay, for visa application. Okay, I don't know why the first link did not open. Alright, so the process is, I have already done it before, but I'll guide you. You need to put the email address, send code to my email address. It will send a 6 or 7 digit code. You need to put that and then click on continue. So that's what I'm gonna do. So after you put the code, you have a button verify code, and then you click on continue. You come to this page. So first is email address that I have scrolled up to protect my privacy. Next is like password, repeat password, and your name. So you can see the criteria for password. So I'm gonna do this. Next comes the phone verification. It can be verified either on text message or automated call. So you select. I'm selecting Canada, whatever is applicable in your case. If you're doing from India, do it from India. Like if you have an Indian phone number, do it from India. Alright, I'm gonna do it next step.